If your commercial HVAC system ain't keeping your building comfy, it's probably time to check what's up with it. So, here's the deal. If you notice the heating or cooling just isn't cutting it like before, that's a big red flag. Listen for weird noises, like banging, clanking, or squealing. That could mean something mechanical is off. Smelling funky odors from the vents? That might be mold or burnt wires, which you don't want to mess with. Check if the airflow feels weak or uneven because clogged filters or busted ductwork could be the culprit. If your energy bills suddenly shoot up but your usage hasn't changed, your HVAC might be working way harder than it should. Notice the system cycling on and off like it's having a meltdown? That could be a thermostat or compressor issue. Any leaks or moisture around your unit? That's a sign of refrigerant or drain problems. And don't ignore visible damage like dents or rust. Those can turn into bigger headaches if left alone. One of the biggest mistakes people make with commercial HVAC systems is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to costly breakdowns down the line. Another common issue is not addressing strange noises early on. These sounds usually mean parts are wearing out or failing. Lastly, many folks overlook airflow problems, assuming it's just normal, but weak airflow usually means dirty filters or duct leaks that kill efficiency. Fix these by scheduling routine checkups, calling pros when you hear weird sounds, and swapping out filters regularly to keep airflow strong and energy bills low. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC repairs and maintenance. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with customers and grow their business easily.